I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy.
Hey guys, we're in the middle of a really cold snap right now, but we're out hiking today. It's -16 and we're hiking the Grotto Creek Trail.
I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not.
Hey guys, so we've just made it to Grotto Canyon. The ground is completely ice, as you guys can tell. So micro spikes are a must-have this season, but it is really beautiful in the winter.
Take you home with me. You're playing, can't bother reading your message. No, I'm not here for your show, wasn't asking. But I've been quitting what you're taking. I've been sipping cause I'm making no regrets, I'm not insistent. Just gonna be what you were, I'm not missing you, yeah. I'm fucking down with all this shit you told me. Just regretting that I met you, damn you hold me down. All my fortune's just been wasted or gone. Oh, you made me feel alone. You thought there's a cure, I went and let you be. Now I know for sure I don't wanna take you home with me. I don't wanna take you home with me.
We've made it to the waterfall, which is the second stop on this hike. If you look at the All Trails map, the first one was a bench with a view. This one is a beautiful frozen waterfall. And our next stop is the cave, which is that way. So we'll be there shortly, and I'll update you guys then.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out, yeah.
Okay, give that stick a kick. Yep, perfect. There you go. Yeah.
Talking about nothing, then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud.
Hey everyone, welcome to my after hike summary for Grotto Canyon. So this is my first time doing Grotto Canyon in the winter. I actually did this back in 2020 in the summer for the first time. This was a great recovery hike after we did East End of Rundle. So my friend and I did East End of Rundle the day before, and then we did Grotto Canyon the next day just to kind of stretch out our legs and just recover from that hike. I actually didn't enjoy this hike too much in the summer. I found it kind of boring. I like hikes with elevation gain and a really amazing view that gives you a really great workout. This hike, like I said, was more of a recovery hike or a really great winter hike. So this is the first time I was able to do this in the winter, like I mentioned, and it was pretty awesome because it just looks prettier in the winter, honestly. So I highly recommend doing this in the winter. It is kid friendly, it is dog friendly. I would suggest if you're bringing your dog on this hike in the winter though, it's mostly ice, so make sure they have little booties. So for this hike, I do recommend micro spikes. I don't think you'll be able to do this without micro spikes. I don't think you'll be able to do this with snowshoes, to be honest, because there's not enough snow for it to actually be a snowshoe trail, if that makes sense. So I definitely highly recommend getting micro spikes if you are planning to do this hike. Gaiters are also suggested. I don't think you necessarily need gaiters, but the snow does get deep in certain sections, but it also can be easily avoided. So there's that. You do start this hike off near Exshaw, so it's gonna be near the cement factory, which makes the first part of the hike a little bit annoying because all you hear is factory noises. You know, you're thinking, okay, I'm going out into the mountains, I want peace and quiet. That's not what you're gonna get in the beginning of this hike, but just keep going, okay? So you're gonna first reach a bench, and this is going to give you a view of the mountains. So this is where you're going to go into the canyon from the bench area. So you're gonna go down into the canyon and you're gonna keep walking. Your next stop is going to be a waterfall, and it's gonna be a beautiful frozen waterfall. There's actually 3 of them, and they are amazing to photograph. If you guys want a really easy quick hike with the kids, this is gonna be you know, a great place to stop, look at the pretty waterfall. You can head back to your car if it's too cold. But we decided to keep going. We ended up making it to the cave. I did not make it to the cave the first time I did this in the summer. It was very, very slippery in the summer. In the winter, it's not so bad if you have micro spikes. In the summer, you're kind of hiking uphill, almost like an uphill scramble to the cave on sand. The view from the cave is beautiful, so we took some photos up there. I totally forgot to vlog up there actually, because we were eating our food and we were just so cold. Like, you know, as soon as you take out your hands out of your gloves on any winter hike, your hands are gonna get cold quite fast. I totally forgot to vlog at this point. We just snapped a few photos and then headed back down. Now the way down from the cave was actually quite fun because, well, after we got to a certain downhill section, all of us just slid down on our butts, and it was quite a fun way down from the cave. So, you know, if you bring a sled or if you bring like a crazy carpet, I could see this potentially being a lot of fun because it is quite a steep little short grind to the cave, and sliding down is just, you know, it's fun. This is one of the safer places to do this. I would never recommend you bringing a sled out to like a mountain and sledding down. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that this cave is in quite a safe place, so you could do that and not like hit a tree or something and die. So that was a whole lot of fun. It was kind of cold the day we went. It was -16 as a high. It's been quite cold here this past week or so. Ever since Christmas, it's been like -33, -40. When it comes to winter hiking, I draw the line at -20. -20, anything after -20, I'm not brave enough to hike in that weather. I just don't like feeling cold. So definitely a must-have for me was those hand warmers, you know, those like 10-hour little hot packs you can put into your gloves. That was a must-have. Also the foot warmers, because after a certain temperature it just gets too cold, and this is definitely a must-have for me. My feet get cold really easily. So yeah, that is pretty much it for my after hike summary for Grotto Canyon. Do I recommend it? 100% yes. In the winter, it's great fun in the winter, and I loved it. So that is pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.